Welcome to the first episode of this series where I teach you how to get paid $1,000 per month without working, just by receiving dividend income. In this first episode, we are going to be buying Triple M. Let's talk about that. Hey, what's going on, subscribers? Welcome back to the Flaming Profits YouTube channel, where I teach you how to become a more profitable investor in the stock market. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Join the journey in creating a portfolio that will pay you $1,000 per month. My goal in this series is to help you and teach you how to do this. I want you to follow along with me, and we're gonna stick to the principles that I set up in the first video of this series. So if you haven't watched that one yet, go ahead and watch it. It's the previous video of this one. I did want to mention our amazing referral links. For M1 Finance, you get $10 to get started investing. All you have to do is use the link in the description and sign up. It's very easy, and you get $10 of absolutely free money. For Robinhood, my absolutely favorite stock trading platform, you get an absolutely free stock as long as you sign up using the link that I have in the description. I don't know why you're holding back from doing this. If you're gonna get a free stock, you definitely should go ahead and sign up today. Acorns, you get $5 to get started investing with Acorns, another great platform that I use to my advantage to grow my cash back from my credit cards. And then we have Webull. You get 2 free stocks if you sign up. You definitely need to take advantage of this. I absolutely did this when someone else shared this link for me, and I'm so thankful because that was like $15 of free money just by signing up. And then this is my secured credit card. You get $50 of free spending money as long as you sign up for the link, and then you can use the card to get 1 or 2% cash back on every single purchase. All of the links are in the description. Make sure you take advantage of those. Alright, so here we go. We're launching off episode 1. I decided to buy Triple M. That is the first stock that I'm going to be investing in for this Dividend Mastery series that I'm starting, where I will eventually get to $1,000 per month. Please join me in this journey. I want you to get $1,000 per month as well, just like I will, and I will show you from start to finish. So I'm using Robinhood to do this. You can use pretty much any brokerage, but I would recommend you to use Robinhood because it makes it so simple. So I decided to buy Triple M, and part of the rules for this project is picking a dividend stock every single week and buying 5 shares of it. So since I picked Triple M, I bought 5 shares of this company today, and that's what I'm doing here right now that I'm showing you. And the whole point of this is thinking long term. I have a big plan for all these companies, these shares. They're all gonna pay me dividends every single month, and eventually I'm gonna scale it up so large that every single month I'm basically gonna receive a $1,000 paycheck without having to do anything. The work is already put in just by buying ownership of all these companies. All these companies make a lot of profits, and then decide to share some of those with you through dividends. So you definitely need to take advantage of this, and I'm going to show you all of my journey behind everything and all the numbers, exactly what it is. So I bought 5 shares of Triple M. That's my initial investment for this week, and the dividend yield is 3.49%. The monthly payout, because I have 5 shares, is $2.40 every single month. That's how much I'm going to be paid now that I bought those 5 shares of Triple M. And I know this seems small, but if you take little steps like this every single week, it's going to compound to something insanely big like the $1,000 per month. My quarterly payout with those 5 shares is $7.20. My yearly payout is $28.20. Each share is paying me $1.44. So if you want to buy 10 shares, just multiply that by $1.44. That's how much each share is going to pay you per share. So let's talk about the conclusion of these numbers. So my monthly goal amount is $1,000, right? So now that I have $2.40 per month with these 5 shares, Now that means that I have $2 less to achieve in monthly payout. So that leaves me to $998 per month left to go. And I'm also going to keep up this calculation at the bottom called years needed to be able to achieve the $1,000 per month. This is obviously going to change depending on the dividend yield of the future stocks that I will buy. So it's going to change all the time. But I'm going to keep it current for whatever the situation is for now. So for example, just with Triple M, it will just take 8 years of doing this diligently, where you buy 5 shares every single week, for you to be able to actually be paid $1,000 per month in dividends without needing to work at all. So very impressive. Don't be scared of small numbers. Small numbers do add up. Even if you think this is insignificant, over time it's going to become very significant. Enough for you to say that you'll have $1,000 coming to you every single month without needing to work. Alright, so just for you guys to know a little bit about Triple M. The sector that Triple M is in industrials. 3M is a very, very massive conglomerate where they basically develop, manufacture, and market a lot of different products worldwide. It's not just in the United States. They're in all sorts of segments, such as safety and industrial, transportation and electronics, healthcare, and consumer products. They create a lot of safety products like adhesives, tapes, abrasives, all sorts of products that a lot of businesses and consumers use on a daily basis. Recently, you might see that their stock price has gone down quite a bit from its 52-week high, and this is because they've been having some issues. They've been impacted by the trade war that we're having with China, since a lot of their products are being made over there. But think about this. This company has been in existence since like 1910. It's a very, very old company. And Triple M is actually a dividend king. I don't know if you guys knew this. And I don't know if you know what a dividend king is, but it's a very special ranking that only very specific stocks have. A dividend king is a stock that has been paying and continuously raising their dividend for more than 50 years. Can you imagine? This speaks a lot about the stock. It means that it's a very reliable stock. It's consistent. It can withstand recessions. It can withstand weak economic circumstances. And this is exactly why I picked this stock. I know it's very robust and it's going to be a great addition to my portfolio and something that I definitely want to take advantage of. This stock has a streak of paying and consistently raising their dividend for 60 years now. This is very impressive and something I really like about the stock. And it's going to keep on going pretty much because these companies love to kind of be the ones that pay the most and have been raising their dividends for so many years and have been consistently paying dividends. It makes their stock a lot more valuable to investors. So they're willing to do whatever it takes to keep this ranking. And then in my first video of this series, I did mention that I was going to make sure that the payout ratio is less than 70%. And for Triple M, it's only 52%. So it definitely checks out on that. Thanks for joining me in the first episode of the Dividend Mastery Challenge, where I teach you how to make $1,000 per month every step of the way, week after week, until we achieve our goal of $1,000 per month. I really hope that all of you join this journey with me and keep me updated on how you're doing. I would really appreciate that, and I know that you will too later on in your life. Thank you all so much for joining me in today's video. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so that you do not miss out any single video. Like this video and comment down below. Thank you all so much. Peace. One thing I forgot to mention is that if you want to see the rules that I'm following for this series, make sure you see the description. That's where I have all the rules, the specific guidelines that I follow when picking dividend stocks for this series. Thank you.